Double-hung windows are a classic choice for many homes in Sterling Heights. They offer timeless style, versatile ventilation, and easy cleaning. But like any part of your home, they don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear, changing weather conditions, and outdated materials can impact their performance. Knowing when it's time to replace your double-hung windows can help you protect your home, improve comfort, and even lower energy costs. Here are the key signs homeowners in Sterling Heights should watch for. Drafts and noticeable temperature changes. If you feel cold air seeping in during the winter or warm air infiltrating your home in the summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Double-hung windows rely on tight seals and functional weather stripping to keep outside air where it belongs. Sterling Heights experiences freezing winters and warm, humid summers. If your windows can't maintain a consistent indoor temperature, your HVAC system has to work harder. This often leads to uneven temperatures from room to room and higher energy bills. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient double-hung models can restore comfort and reduce strain on your heating and cooling systems. Rising energy bills. Have your energy costs increased without a clear explanation? Aging windows are often a hidden culprit. Over time, frames can warp, seals can fail, and glass can lose its insulating effectiveness. New double-hung windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as multi-pane glass and improved sealing technology. These upgrades help prevent heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. If your current windows are more than 15 to 20 years old, replacement could significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. Difficulty opening and closing. One of the defining features of double-hung windows is their ease of operation. Both the upper and lower sashes should slide smoothly. If your windows stick, refuse to stay open, or require excessive force to move, that's a clear sign of trouble. In many cases, this problem stems from warped frames, worn-out balance systems, or years of paint buildup. Windows that don't open easily can become a safety issue, especially in bedrooms where they may serve as emergency exits. Replacing outdated windows ensures smooth functionality and peace of mind. Visible damage or decay. Take a close look at your window frames and sashes. Do you see cracked wood, peeling paint, soft spots, or signs of moisture damage? In Sterling Heights, fluctuating temperatures and seasonal moisture can take a toll on window materials. Wood rot, corrosion, and frame deterioration compromise structural integrity and insulation. Even small cracks can allow water infiltration, leading to bigger problems like mold or interior wall damage. If repairs are frequent and costly, replacement is often the more practical and long-term solution. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped between the panes of glass, it typically means the window's seal has failed. Double or triple pane windows rely on an airtight seal to maintain insulating gas between the panes. When that seal breaks, the window loses much of its insulating capability. Not only does this reduce energy efficiency, but it can also obstruct your view and detract from your home's appearance. Replacing the window restores clarity and performance. Outside noise is becoming more noticeable. Modern double-hung windows are designed to reduce outside noise. If you're suddenly hearing more traffic, neighborhood activity, or wind than you used to, your current windows may no longer be providing adequate sound insulation. Upgraded window designs can significantly minimize exterior noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment, especially valuable in busy areas of Sterling Heights. Outdated appearance. Windows play a major role in your home's curb appeal. If your double-hung windows look dated, faded, or mismatched, they can drag down the overall appearance of your home. Replacing them with modern designs can instantly refresh your exterior and even increase property value. Today's double-hung windows come in a variety of finishes and styles that complement both traditional and contemporary homes. Your windows should enhance your comfort, protect your home, and add to its beauty. If you're noticing drafts, rising energy bills, operational issues, or visible damage, it may be time to consider replacing your double-hung windows in sterling heights. Investing in high-quality replacements not only improves day-to-day living but also adds long-term value and efficiency to your home.